Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to welcome the Secretary of Ministry and Broadcasting, Shri Apurva Chandra, along with the Managing Director, NFDC, Shri Ravindra Barkar, accompanying the cast and crew of Lost for the Asian Premiere Gala. And they're joining us on the red carpet right now. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Yami Gautam Thar, Tushar Pandey, Pankaj Kapoor, accompanied by Supriya Pathak Kapoor, Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, the Director of Lost, along with the producers Shari Mantri, Kishore Arora, Kanwal Kohli, Garika Mantri, Sam Fernandez, and the Chief Business Officer of Z Studios, Sharik Patel. Come on guys, make some noise and give them a nice welcome onto the red carpet. Hello, welcome. I request you to please stand right here. Directed to Yami. Yami, you're here for the Asian premiere at Iffi. How do you feel in this moment?
Hi, thank you so much for this warm welcome and reception. It's my first year at Iffi, and I think first year always special. And couldn't have been a better film than Lost to be found, I think, myself here on this carpet and sharing this with actors, with people whom we've grown up learning so much and wishing that one day we might be able to share a frame with them, and I have someone standing right next to me, and of course ma'am's here, which she's so gracious of her to come and join and support us. The entire team is here. Of course, Tony he gave a very memorable film to us with Pink, and I think with Lost we again have something really special. I'm hoping you connect with that. Of course, my producers, Z and Shireen and everyone. So it's for the first time that we team after the shooting process, we're coming together under one roof for such a special platform. So thank you so much. I'm sure I've answered at least 3 questions of yours.
We're more than happy to hear from you. Pankaj sir, this next one's for you. How was your experience shooting this film?
I'd say wonderful, very warm, a family-like feeling, yet extremely professional. And on time, the director knew his job, the co-actors were taught on, and it was pleasurable to be there for whatever time I was there. And I'm happy to be a part of the film that we have made.
Thank you, sir. Aniruddha sir, this one's for you. I asked Yami this question as well, but how do you feel being here for the Asian premiere at Iffi?
This is my 3rd film in Iffi, and I'm extremely happy. And thank you so much, Iffi, for selecting our film and giving us a platform to show to all of you. It's a very important film in my life, and I must thank Yami and Pankaj ji for giving us so much of support. Thank you, Sharik. Thank you, Sharin. I still remember the sleepless night. And Kanwal ji is there, Angarika is there, and Bhumika ji is there, Swapnil, everybody. It's a teamwork, and I am grateful to our wonderful team. Thanks. Sam is also there, my another producer. Yeah, Sam, if you're there, come. Angarika and Kanwalji, Bhumika, please. It's a teamwork. All of us have done this film, and this is my friend Arindam Shil. He is a famous director from Bengal. He has also acted in our film. Thank you so much. And it's our team, Lost team.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor to have you all here. I request you if you could get a photograph with the cast and crew. One picture with just the cast and crew. Auditorium 3 at 6 o'clock. You all can catch that there right here at Iffi.
Woman power.